So I'm Brian Farling. I'm a principal at Jones Studio. Acoustics play a big role in any building. So in a theater, you want to be able to accommodate a broad spectrum of sound types. You do that by creating both a very reflective space that can transform into an absorptive space. So in the instrumental classroom, we basically enveloped a good portion of the room, the walls and the high ceiling, in a very absorptive material. And then very strategically, we made some hard reflective surfaces. Right off the bat and very early in the design process, we were looking for a material that did all of the work, that was reflective, was dense and hard, was also potentially a structural material so that we weren't building a frame wall and then cladding it with something. And masonry jumped out really early as a way to achieve all those. And we touched base with Echelon to understand sort of the range of finishes and materials that we had to work with. And we quickly sort of narrowed it down that the Black Canyon Trendstone product, everybody loved that, thought it would really achieve sort of this more high-end feel for the interior. As we moved from the Trendstone, the Black Canyon Trendstone on the interior, we took the same Black Canyon block and used it for a good portion of the exterior. The Black Canyon we carried to the exterior, but without the Trendstone, without the ground face. And then we used a standard gray block as a complementary color. So our experience with Echelon and getting all of these materials and bringing as many samples out onto the project as we needed was fantastic. They were really great to work with, and being able to go to one of those shows and sit in a space that you've designed and worked 2-3 years of your life on, is really one of the most rewarding things an architect can experience.